Hi guys, it's Mike of Dog Trainer Cebu together with my dog Diego. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I introduce the heel. Okay, pagturo ko ng heel. Alam na niya yung heel pero babalik ako sa pinakaumpisa. Okay, this is for my client na tinuturuan ko ngayon ng private coaching. So medyo nahirapan siya. So I'll just give this client an idea of how I do it. So hand target muna tayo. Ibig sabihin, yung kamay ko, I'm gonna make a fist which is closed. And then if the dog touches my hand, I'm gonna mark and reward. So pag touch niya, sasabihin ko, yung yung reward marker, and then it will open yung kamay ko, and then I'll let the dog access the food. Okay? I'm not gonna take longer na kasi etong dog ko mukhang gusto nang kumain. So I'll put the pouch sa opposite side ng hand ko para hindi niya tatry kunin. Okay? Good. So yung reward marker ko is the sound na chip. Chip! Grabe yung food drive, di ba? Let's. Chip! Ganyan. So sa umpisa, chip! Pag touch lang ng dog sa kamay ko, I'm gonna mark and reward na. Okay? Hindi muna ako, chip! Hindi ko muna ipa-perfect yung heel. Basta mag-touch yung aso sa kamay ko like this, chip! Mark and reward. Chip! So sometimes you can add some movement like this. Chip! Para mas encouraging sa dog nyo. Let's. Chip! 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 So, ang ending kasi, ang gusto ko mangyari, let's. Ang ending, wait, ang gusto ko mangyari is yung dog will end up here. Chip! Yan, okay? Let's. So, I'll do it again. Chip! Hand target muna. Kailangan kasi, yung dog nyo, magaling mag-target. Chip! Ng kamay. Yun talagang, sometimes nga I try to frustrate the dog by blocking the dog like this. Chip! So I'm blocking the dog and at the same time making the dog target my hand. So, kapag nakuha na ni Diego yung nakaganyan ako and then nagtatouch siya, gagawin ko na, next step is, instead na ganyan lang, I'm going to make the dog spin by turning my hand over like this. Chip! So ngayon, the dog is actually facing the same direction as I am. Okay? So like this. Chip! And hindi ko pa ina-add yung sit kasi dapat nakasit yung dog eh. Okay? Pero hindi ko muna gagawin yun. Chip! Basta same direction kami nakatingin. Yun lang muna yung i-reward ko. I'll do it again. I'll push the dog. Chip! Next step is to mark and reward if the dog is facing the same direction and sitting down. Ibig sabihin, kailangan ilure ko ng chip! Ganyan. Okay? So, ipapaikot niyo yung dog and then going up para mag-sit yung dog. Kasi kapag ginawa nyo lang is ganito, hindi nakasit yung dog niyan. Sa taas mo, chip! And then mark and reward. Next, siguro 2 more repetitions. 2 more repetitions. kapag ka yung dog mo sanay na dyan, next step is ganito na. Chip! Rewarding the dog here for maintaining this. Chip! Na nakatingin lang. So ngayon naman, ang gusto ko matutunan ng dog is, if nakatingin ka dito, chip! Mare-reward ka. So I'm marking and rewarding kapag yung dog nakatingin sa kamay ko. Chip! Chip! So the choice is nasa kanya yan. If hindi siya titingin dito, walang reward. Pag tumingin siya, chip! Mark and reward. Okay? So kapag lagi mo yan ginagawa, the dog will learn na kailangan pala nakafocus ako. Chip! Kasi pag hindi, wala akong mapapala. I'll do it again. Chip! Now, kapag na-master na ng dog mo itong step na to, you can start adding chip movement. So, maybe I'll do one step lang muna. One step forward. Again, like this. The dog is facing the same direction. Sitting down. Giving you the eye contact. I'm gonna start walking. You can lure the dog while your hand is a little bit closer like this. Chip! Mark and reward. One step lang. Okay? Bakit binababa ko yung kamay ko? Chip! Kasi kapag ginawa ko mataas, like nandito, gagawin ng dog, tatalon-talon siya. Chip! Ngayon kasi ito, yung dog, alam na niya to, kaya hindi siya masyadong tumatalon. Pero some dogs will just keep jumping to try to touch the hand. Again. Hindi kasi siya nagchuchu. Mababa. Chip! So, as the dog gets better, you can start adding more steps going forward. Again, foos. Chip! And as the dog gets better with that, you can start adding change of direction. So I'm gonna change directions like this. Chip! Reward. So as soon as you start changing direction, sumunod yung dog, the dog follows you, mark and reward. Again. Nag-choke siya, lalayo ako. Aus, foos. Chip! So you can start working on maybe going to the right lang muna pa ulit, going to the right, and then eventually going to the left. Yung going to the right is easy. So ganito lang siya. Susundan lang ng dog, chip! Yung kamay mo. Okay? Yung going to the left ang mas mahirap kasi ganito ang gagawin nyo. Okay? I'm gonna show you guys. Flats. Yung food, lapit. Yung food, iipit nyo dito sa thumb and palm nyo. Ganyan. So, kung saan nakaharap ito, yung palm ko, dun yung nose ng dog. So, ibig sabihin, pag ginanyan ko yan, iikot yung dog. Okay? Sorry, nabitawan ko. Nalaglag. Chip! Mark and reward. Okay? Kahit quarter lang muna yung turn. Quarter turn. Chip! And kahit hindi muna nakasit, basta nag-left turn siya. Again. Diego. Galing dito. And then I'm gonna lure using my hand. Chip! And then eventually, I'm gonna make it a full circle. Yun yung pinaka-goal. Foos. Chip! Yan. So, I'll do both right. Right. And then, chip! Left naman. Okay? Left. Chip! Next, Ito yung last. Teach the dog to walk backwards. Okay? Hindi ko lang alam kung natatandaan pa to ni Diego dahil nung tinuro ko to sa kanya, 4 months old pa siya. Okay? Ganyan pa lang yata siya kalaki nun. Ganyan. So, gagawin ko, meron akong food dito, tsaka dito, and then I'll just close my hand like this, and I'm gonna walk towards the dog, doing that. Okay? Chip! Kapag nag-step siya, kahit isa lang, going back, I'm gonna say, chip! And then reward the dog. Ulit. Ulit. Chip! Kahit hindi straight, basta umatras siya. Okay? Chip! Yan. Again. Chip! Now I reward with the left and then the right, the left and right, para the dog doesn't know kung saan siya dapat mag-focus. Kasi I don't want the dog to focus on just one side lang. Diego. Chip! Again. Chip! Again. Chip! Again. Up. So ilalim ko na siya. Last. Chip! Yan. So, paano ko yan ngayon magagamit? Ganito. Kapag alam na ng dog mo na nakaganyan yung fist mo sa harapan ng face niya, kailangan niyang umatras. Kapag gumanyan ako, chip! Now, you can add it sa walking backwards. So, ang problem dito, sometimes yung dog, kapag ka nag-heel and then walking backwards, nangyayari, hindi diretso yung pag-heel niya going backwards. So, what you can do is use a wall. Itong wall na to gagamitin ko. Dito tayo. Push. Chip! Mark and reward. Again, push. Chip! Mark and reward. So now, I can heel with the dog kapag alam na niya to lahat without the food. Pero there's also a proper way of doing that, of fading the food reward. And then you can transition to toy rewards. Let's. Who's? Thank you guys for watching.